This installation video shows how to install the universal battery holder with the head strap specific clip for the Halo type of headset. So we're going to put measurements on the shop to make sure that your Halo headset will fit the clip. They should be universal in terms of how it's manufactured. They probably have the same size throughout this type of similar model. So let's start. To begin, what we would like to do is probably just remove all this Velcro stuff just to have, so that it's easier to work with, you have room. And to start, what we want to do is align it to be centered. You could kind of eyeball it, and you see that part, of course, is centered, and line it up with this part here. You want to start by clipping on the top part first, because if you notice, looking at the edges here, the top part is a little longer than the bottom part. So you want to strap the top part on first. Line that up in the middle and push down. Okay, you see it goes down as much as possible right there. You close the gap, and once you do that, that will give you enough room to just squeeze this in and over the ledge there to have it clip on in place. It takes a little bit of a force, so I'm going to use 2 hands and have that clip on. That clips on. Do the same thing with this side here. And there we go. And that isn't really going to go anywhere. Now you want to go ahead and slide over your battery holder and just slide that into the bracket like that. Now you can put your battery and strap it on how you see fit. And that concludes the installation for the Halo style. Thank you. This installation instruction is to remove the Halo strap universal battery holder. To begin, you want to remove the battery holder itself by sliding up from the clip. And there's the battery holder. And now you have the headset specific clip, in this case the Halo. So this is the Halo clip, and you want to remove it. It's pretty easy. What you want to do is just kind of, the top part you see has a longer clip part here, so you're going to leave that alone. You want to start from the bottom, essentially working in reverse on how to install it. So I'm going to take one of the foot, or the, what do you call these, legs, and push up, and there you go. And do the same thing for this side. And these clips are not really meant to be removed, but if you needed to, this would be one way to do it. An plier may help, or a glove actually may help, because it's doing a number on my thumb. So let me put on glove here and see if I could push that out, and there you go. That was much easier with the glove. So now you have that, just slide it off, and this is the removal of the Halo strap clip.